One thing I always say is work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, then you may be working harder. So let's change that. Download the app, link your accounts where you can manage your income, track your expenses, and project your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download Solo and begin to work smarter, not harder today. Link is in the description. All right, let's get back to it.
Let's talk about what's going on in Uberland, if this is illegal, and did they get caught?
Well, Matt sent me this screenshot, and then he posted it on X anyway, but his email said, Serge, I caught him red-handed. And I'm like, I'm sure you did, Matt. And then Len Sherman chimed in with another trip, actually, that he probably saw it on X. So Matt goes, Uber offers a ride for $13.03 on TripRadar. I click to accept, match it. Okay? All right. Middle screenshot shows the ride is matching. Once Uber sees that I'm interested in the ride, they send it to me as exclusive for $2.08, 16% less. I decline. Final screenshot shows a dishonest message that all requests are taken. This is happening a lot more often. I am 100% sure that the algo has been changed. My opinion on this, we'll talk about Lens in a minute. My opinion on this is this. I know how TripRadar works in the back end. I don't have to say anything about it. I shouldn't say anything about it. Once they put the auction out there to 8-10 drivers, because there's a circumference, it goes by a wide circle. So all drivers in there get TripRadar. It's an auction. It's called a reverse auction or a Dutch auction, like in the market, in the stock market. So I am 100% certain that all 8-10 drivers who see the TripRadar simultaneously are being offered different prices. That's because of the character that they have built within the AWS servers of Uber. And Uber goes, okay, well, this guy should accept this guy should accept that, machine learning, AI, all that stuff. So obviously, when they will, because the 1080, the 1095 or 1095 that they sent Matt as an exclusive was, by the way, probably the lowest offer that they have shown to some other driver who probably passed on TripRadar, and then they pinged Matt with an exclusive. That's how TripRadar is working these days. It's become very, 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 very profitable for Uber. Because if you think of a situation of 8-10 drivers looking at 8-10 different prices, if the lowest one takes it, game is over. You can click match until you're blue in the face or break your finger or your screen. You are not going to get that trip because the low bidder has won that auction. Okay? Period. If everybody passes a second round, the trip has to get done. But now the algo has the audacity to lower the fare by 16% and send it as an exclusive to Matt because probably he was the closest driver. I'm not sure. But then Len chimed in. Len Sherman, our good friend from Columbia Business School. Uber's exploitation of drivers is shameless. He tagged Dara and our good friend Andrew Gordon Mack and Uber. You owe your 8 million drivers more honesty and integrity than this. Perhaps a real whistleblower should spill the beans. Now, I don't know what he knows about that, but maybe not. Sure. So he put 2 trips there, right? So Uber driver gets the TripRadar request and accepts. Then Uber rejects driver match because all drivers accepted their original TripRadar offer. All requests are taken. Please try again. 30 seconds later, Uber issues identical TripRadar offer with a 23% pay cut. Because again, like in Matt's case, I believe that $698 was the low offer. And that's going to be, because if somebody takes the $698 and somebody tries to match it, they're going to ping that driver with $698 because that's how it works. But in case he doesn't, they show it to 8-10 drivers again with a lower number. And you must understand, folks, that Uber does close to 4 million trips per hour, okay? per hour, 24/7, 365. The difference here is not nickels and dimes, because we used to make the math where we figured out the math on nickels and dimes. If it was just a quarter, it's like hundreds of millions of dollars a quarter. Now it's getting wider and wider, Chris. Now it's getting into the dollars range. And imagine out of 1.34 million trips per hour, they just do this maybe 20% of the time, and they finagle a couple of bucks out of each trip.
That was when they were testing it. Now they're doing it more widespread. More people are talking about it. I mean, chat's already talking about how they're seeing this happen more and more. Well, one thing too makes sense to say when it comes to Trip Radar, it goes out to 8-10 drivers. You're right, as Trip Radar, but one of those drivers does get the exclusive. So during the time, if you hit match, what ends up happening is it will wait until that one's timed out. That's one of the reasons why you should always let it go. Don't decline it. Don't hit the X. Just let it go, because that 10-15 seconds that Uber now allows for is going to increase that spinner time. So if it's not worth it, just let it run out. Don't exit. Don't decline it. None of that crap. So with that, that's part of the reason when you hit that match and it waits and it does that timing thing, it's because it's waiting for that person who got the exclusive to deny it or to let it cancel,
or accept it,
or accept it, and then that way it's gone. But
because
in this case, it comes back to you later at a lower cost. So what the frig is going on there? And that's what we were talking about when it came to Trip Radar probably about a month and a half ago at this point, 6 weeks ago, let's say, where we were talking about some of the issues with Trip Radar and this whole thing. Now it seems like it's actually being targeted that way, that they are actually doing that intentionally. Whether that's the case or not, hopefully we'll be able to prove something or figure it out, or maybe a whistleblower wants to get hold of us. But with that being said, it does seem more and more nefarious that this is happening.
This seems like it's the case. FYI, the person that gets while the person is getting the exclusive, 8 drivers are still seeing that on Trip Radar. Until that trip is accepted fully, Uber still keeps showing it, because they know, the algorithm knows who to ping exclusive next if that driver is going to turn down the exclusive trip, like Matt did in his case. So they have a system that obviously is amazing in the back end. I mean, imagine the shit that you have to do to play all these games in a milliseconds, bro. And this is happening at every city corner around the globe, literally millions of times a day. And imagine the size and the scope of the system, and imagine the size and the scope of the fucking hocus pocus that they have to pull. But then that's why they became profitable. They have figured it out. You know what I mean?
Yep.
And it's unbelievable.
So moral of the story is, when you are going to accept it, they could be doing something nefarious like this. So if you're getting the same trip coming to you either through another Trip Radar round again or exclusive and it's dropped, I would definitely not want to take it. So be careful on that. Pay attention. But yeah, when it comes to you trying to hit match and it not taking and it's taking time, it's also because somebody has the exclusive that's nearby. Whether they accept it, whether they don't, it's only time until you'll actually know. So yeah.
And if Matt's around, Matt, you should take this up with your state AG, FYI. I'm told from a good source that I think they would be interested in what's going on. Okay. So I know, you got balls. So I would send them some of these screenshots. And if you are getting, because this is happening more and more often, we weren't even talking about this, a few months ago. Now this is happening very often. So if you do see something like this, folks, please send me the screenshots. I'd like to collect screenshots for my collection.
If it walks like a duck and it quacks like a duck, it's a freaking duck.
Yeah, Sergio at the rideshareguy.com. Send me the screenshots. The Trip
Radar. Another reason why you should screenshot everything.
Trip Radar decline and ping comes in lower. Trip Radar decline, well, not decline. You try to match. It says no, somebody else got it, and then 30 seconds later they ping you with a lower fare. I think there is something here that we need to pay attention to. So.
Yep, absolutely. All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.